नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटियाओं। I'm JVN Professor Manju Sharma. Program name AMID third SEM. Subject name Secondary and Senior Secondary Education. Module name Designing Integrated and Interdisciplinary Learning Experiences Different. University name Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I welcome to all. Today presenting designing integrated and interdisciplinary learning experiences differently. Common understanding. An integrated curriculum allows children to pursue learning in a holistic way without the restrictions often imposed by subject boundaries. In early childhood programs, it focused upon the relatedness of all curricular areas in helping children acquire basic learning tools. It recognized that the curriculum for the primary grades include reading, writing, listening, speaking, literature, drama, social studies, math, science, health, physical education, music, and visual art. The curriculum also incorporates investigative process and technology. It emphasizes the importance of maintaining partnerships with families, having knowledge of children and how they learn, and building upon the community and cultural context. Integrated teaching and learning process enable children to acquire and use basic skills in all the content areas and to develop positive attitudes for continued successful learning throughout the elementary grades. Integrated curriculum also allows students to make connections among different subject areas and to their own lives. When students make these connections and understand why they need to know certain skills or pieces of knowledge, the learning process becomes positive for the students. In learning through the arts, for example, students learn maths and science concepts and skill while singing, sculpting, painting, and dancing. Every student and teacher has a laptop computer. Teachers integrated computer use into the curriculum rather than adapting curriculum to the use of computers. An integrated curriculum in early childhood education is one which incorporates all areas of development physical, cognitive, emotional, and social of the child. Integrated curriculum is an educational approach that prepares the child for lifelong learning. Integrated teaching and learning process enable children to acquire and use basic skills in all the content areas and to develop positive attitudes for continued successful learning throughout the elementary grades. Integration acknowledges grades and builds on the relationship which exist among all things. An integrated curriculum is described as one that connects different areas of study by cutting across subject matter lines and emphasizing unifying concepts. Integration focus on making connections for students, allowing them to engage in relevant, meaningful activities that can be connected to real life. Integration refers to exponential students being particularly taught in a mainstream classroom. Activities are adapted so the student can fit in with their many mainstream peers while learning skills that may be better practiced in a room with more age appropriate peers. Traditional curricula strike me as more memorization intensive, whereas integrated curricula encourage you to conceptualize a bit more with a happen help in of memorization throw in. In the primary grades, play opportunities enhance children mastery of academic concepts and build motivation to learn. In fact, two are the most important things that play can develop our interest and motivation. Encouraging these in the early grades bring children on board in contributing to their learning. The integrated approach is one in which learners learn by doing a learner-centered environment in learner interest context. It allows students to engage in purposeful, relevant learning. It encourages students to see the interconnectedness and interrelationships between the curriculum areas by connecting systems to each other and by providing central pipeline through which both old and new systems can communicate. Integration allows you to save cost, keep using your exciting infrastructure and functionally piecemeal using separate application and services. By connecting systems to each other and by providing a central pipeline application of services. Use integration in a sentence. Noun integration is defined as mixing things or people together that were formerly separated. An example of integration is when the schools were desegregated and there were no longer separate public schools for schools for Indians. Thanks.